7 ways to impress a woman. 1. Pose her inquiries. While you're getting to know a lady, you ought to give your all to make her agreeable. That implies guiding a discussion toward a subject she's open to. 2. Open entryways. One more passage on our rundown of the main 10 basic ways of intriguing ladies. Open the entryway for her. Opening the entryway for a lady is an exemplary courteous signal. The generally splendid push for orientation equity has to a. 3. Praise the manner in which she looks. So listen to this, you need to offer her a commendation, yet you maintain that it should appear to be genuine. Accordingly, you want something somewhat more unique than, you have mind-blowing eyes. Give this. 4. Request exhortation. Whether you're condo hunting or attempting to set your amigo up on a prearranged meeting, ladies are intrigued when you ask them for counsel. It shows her that you esteem others' perspectives, specifically, her viewpoint. B. 5. Ask her questions. When you're getting to know a woman, you should do your best to make her comfortable. That means steering a conversation toward a subject she's comfortable talking about, like her. Just about every woman likes to talk about hers. 6. Ignore your phone. Nothing says, you're not that important. Like taking a call from someone else or checking a text in the middle of a conversation. That's why ignoring your phone is one of our top 10 simple ways to impress. 7. Socialize with her friends. When deciding whether or not to ask a woman out on a date, you probably evaluate her personality and her looks, among other things like her sense of humor and her intelligence. Well, women do those things too, but